Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in eSound app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an eSound application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, eSound application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you do not have the account yet, simply tap on the option register for free and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you want to log into your account, simply tap on the option already have an account. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign in interface. You'll be able to see the sign in methods over here. You can either sign in with Facebook, sign in with Google, or sign in with eSound. So simply tap on the sign in methods that you used while creating the account. Here I'm just going to tap on the option sign in with eSound. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. If you also selected the option sign in with eSound, you'll have to enter your email address and password. So tap on the field your email. Now provide your email address over here. Now simply enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to reset it. Now after entering the credentials, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in eSound app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.